Most of you should know that the European Investment Fund is actually a European Union institution. It is the risk financing arm of the European institution, of the European Union. The main objective here of EIF is actually to promote entrepreneurship, innovation, and free business spirit. The way to do that is by providing support, trying to help SMEs and entrepreneurs to have access to financing. Now, what we've done in Bulgaria as European Investment Fund is throughout the years provide tangible support measures for entrepreneurship and small and medium-sized enterprises. Now, the most concentrated, however, set of measures up until now comes under the name of Jeremy. We're talking about financial engineering instruments of a budget of 350 million euros, which can actually contribute to the build-up of a portfolio of 1 billion euros of financing for SMEs. This would correspond to thousands of SMEs and entrepreneurs reaching finance. The EIF is actually the manager of this initiative. The successful launch and deployment of this initiative would not happen if it was not for the support of two main stakeholders, the European Commission and the Ministry of Economy, Energy and Tourism. We have to thank them both. In the case of the Ministry of Economy, we look forward to actually collaborating, extending our collaboration with the new Minister and with the Managing Authority of the Operational Programme Competitiveness, which is actually the source of funding for the Jeremy initiative. We also welcome, of course, the collaboration of all our financial intermediaries. And now we're talking about banks, but we also talk about private equity funds, as in the case of Launch Hub and Eleven. Up until now, it has been a fascinating trip, and my colleagues and my colleagues in Luxembourg and in Sofia, feel very, very happy that this initiative comes to a very nice and fruitful point, at the point that we can actually extend this initiative very, very soon with the launch of co-investment facility, co-investment instrument. The details will be announced as soon as possible. Overall, thank you very much, and enough of officially opening the conference. Let's get to the substance. Thank you.